Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, we want to show you guys an update on this 3-level backyard we've been working on. We're using all James speakers in this backyard. As you can see, the overview of the pool. Here's the second level with the outdoor fire pit and bench area where we have those custom James speakers built into the bench. But man, this is going to be incredible. See that 25-foot sheet of acrylic glass? You can see right into the pool. What a nice touch. And then that first level or third level going towards the pond is going to be a putting green. So can't wait to see this all done. But as far as audio goes, look at here. We got these awesome James OT88Qs 3-way speakers. These will give you concert level sound, but the quality is ridiculous. The client wants them nice and clean, but something that could play loud. And so we have 3 zones set made up in this backyard. So the sitting area is one zone, the pool is another zone, and right here is the patio, which is another zone. We can group them all together, which is super cool for entertaining. And then you'll see here that on the patio, we have a 75-inch Sierra TV. So really, really cool backyard, and can't wait to show you the total finished product. But tell you what, guys, what a nice setup. So subscribe, like the video, and hope we see you guys on the next one. Thanks.